Good evening everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about WhatsApp testing audio sharing during video calls, Google Chrome's safety check upgrade, Microsoft discontinues Windows mixed reality, Apple faces ban on latest watches in the US, Samsung Health introduces medication tracking feature, AI model predicts death date boost in India's semiconductor industry. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. WhatsApp is reportedly testing a new feature. The feature allows users to share audio during video calls. Similar to Apple's SharePlay, it's expected for beta testers. Users can share music audio during video calls when screen sharing is active. Use cases include listening to music together or reviewing audio projects. The feature is tested on both iOS and Android platforms. The release date is unclear, but a beta release seems imminent. Next we have Google introduces a new feature called Safety Check in Chrome. The feature checks if online passwords have been compromised. It alerts users proactively if any compromise is detected. It also checks harmful web extensions, Chrome's latest build, and site permissions. Users can now revoke site permissions based on usage patterns. Chrome's memory saver mode is expanded for smoother desktop performance. Users can access these features through the Chrome settings menu. Microsoft discontinues the mixed reality feature for Windows. Launched in a 2017 Windows 10 update, it supported VR headsets. Mixed reality combines augmented and virtual reality technologies. Microsoft states it's deprecated and will be removed in a future release. This comes after scrapping plans for HoloLens 3 last year. The Mixed Reality Portal app allowed users to access AR and VR on compatible headsets. The move reflects Microsoft's shift in its approach to augmented and virtual reality. Apple stops selling Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2 in the US. US ITC orders a halt in importing latest Apple Watches by 26 December. Ban result from a patent dispute with medical device maker Masimo. ITC claims Apple's SpO2 blood oxygen sensing infringes Masimo's patents. Apple attempts to find workarounds including a potential presidential veto, customers limited to purchasing the less expensive Apple Watch SE2. Apple seeks changes to SpO2 sensing algorithm to address the issue. Samsung introduces medication tracking feature in Health app allows users to track prescribed medicines and receive reminders. Users can input details like medicine type, timing, and pill details. Expert help from Elsevier ensures medical content accuracy. Feature available in select markets starting with the US. Users need Android 8.0 or higher, and the updated Samsung Health app aims to assist users with medicine adherence and timely reminders. Next up we have researchers develop an AI model called Life2Vec. AI serves as a death calculator using data like income, job, health, etc. Predicted to be 78% accurate in determining death date. Model tested on around 6 million Danish people based on a theory comparing life event to language spoken. Results could be useful for areas like life insurance, emphasis on ethical considerations and privacy in sharing results. At last, India's semiconductor industry gains momentum. Micron Technology's $2 billion ATMP plant under construction in Gujarat. AMD opens its largest design unit in Bengaluru. Modified program for development of semiconductor aims for global hub status. Foxconn's potential entry into the semiconductor ecosystem. Union Minister stresses Semicon India program with a budget of Rs 76,000 crore. Initiatives like production linked incentive PLI aim to reduce chip imports. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.